Greetings, it's Max ODidily here, and today I am going to be showing you how to do Caesar Cipher encryption using Java. So just a little heads up, this is not secure, this is just really basic encryption to help you learn some cool programming stuff and to give you the fundamental basics of encryption, so let's get right into it. So what is Caesar Cipher encryption? Well, basically, it's a simple encryption technique where each letter in the original message is shifted by a certain number of places down or up the alphabet. You'll see what I mean when we go into this, so let's get into the tutorial. So we do import java.util.scanner, so we can get user input, and then we can do, in our main method, scanner sc equals new scanner system.in. We're making a scanner object to get the user input so we can type a message we want to encrypt. And that's exactly what we're going to do with our print statement, and then we can do string message equals sc.next line. This gets user input. If you want to know more about getting user input, click the eye up in the corner. There's a tutorial dedicated to that in Java. Then we're going to do the same thing, but get the next int, which is going to be getting the shift. So we are going to do public static string encrypt, string message int shift. So this is going to be a string method, meaning it's going to return a string. This is going to be the encrypted message. The name is going to be called encrypt because that's what we're going to be doing. String message is the message we want to encrypt, and int shift is going to be the shift we're going to use for our encryption. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do string builder encrypted message equals new string builder. So we're going to be creating a string builder object, and this is going to be used to store the encrypted message. We're using a string builder because it's easier to manipulate and edit strings, because we need to dynamically grow this as we encrypt the message character by character. After that, we are then going to do message equals message.toLowercase. Basically, this works best with lowercase letters. If we have uppercase letters, some complications occur. So just going to put everything into lowercase. After that, we're going to do a for loop. For int I equals 0, I less than message.length and I++. This is a simple for loop, and we're going to be looping through every character in this string message that we have. Inside the for loop, we've got a few lines of code. Don't worry, we'll be explaining this all. So we do char c equals message.char at I. So this is going to get the character at the current index in the string. Think of a string like a character array. Each character is its own element. We're basically going to be getting each element one by one and doing stuff to it, which is what this line of code does. Then we're going to do if character.isLetter C. We're going to check if this character is a letter. If it's not a letter, we're just going to add it to our encrypted message, because we only want to shift letters, not numbers and special characters. So this is just adding the character to our new string, our encrypted message. If we don't do anything to it, we just add it as it is. If we do manipulate it, we're going to add the manipulated version. So in this if statement, if it is a character, we're going to do c equals char bracket bracket c minus character a plus shift plus 26 bracket mod 26 plus a. And that's probably not going to make much sense. Our character is encrypted by shifting its position. Shift places to the right, which is the variable the user can define and input a value for. This is achieved by subtracting the ASCII value of A from the character to get its position in the alphabet, adding the shift value, and then using the mod operator, which is the %, to warp the result back around to the beginning of the alphabet if it exceeds the range of A to Z. Because we don't want it to go out of the range of the letters, because then it wouldn't be true Caesar Cipher encryption. And then we assign that value to the char c variable. And then after, we obviously do encrypted message.append c. If that doesn't make too much sense, basically we're doing a shift. Let's say we have the letter A, and we have a shift of 1. It's going to become B. Let's say we have the letter Z, and we have a shift of 1. It's going to become A. Let's say we have the letter C, but a shift of -1. It then becomes B. And lastly, let's say we have the letter A again, but we have a shift of 2. Well, it's going to become C. That's basically what this line does. Lastly, we're going to do return encrypted message.toString. Basically, we're going to be getting the string that our encrypted message string builder has built and return that to wherever we called the code. In our main method, we're going to do string encrypted message equals encrypt message shift. Basically, we're going to be encrypting the message. we're going to be calling our function. We pass in the message and the shift, and then we do system.println encrypted message plus encrypted message, which is the string here. So let's test for code. Save, and then hit play. And it says enter a message to encrypt. Let's do Max ODidily. Enter a shift. Let's do 2. And that's the encrypted message. Let's try again. Let's do Max ODidily, but let's put in -2. And that's what it is. Let's try a couple more. Let's do Max ODidily 42069. Dot exclamation mark cool. Let's do a shift of 3. And that's the encrypted message. See how it preserves the spaces, made my uppercase M a lowercase, kept the special characters, kept the numbers the same. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Also click the eye up in the corner as there will be a tutorial on how to decrypt this encrypted message that we've just done. Thanks for watching.